All right, you got the lawn jaws, weed pullers. Basically look like needle-nose pliers with some teeth on them. And there's slots on either side for what? I don't know. But I was dying to check these things out because they look cool. Look at the packaging on this. This thing is awesome. Look, it's like it's already grabbing a little root right there inside the package. So they weigh just a few ounces, about 7 inches long and about 2 inches wide right here at their longest point. I've messed around with them a little bit, and I think it's going to be best to use these, in soft, wet soil. Let's give it a shot, see what it does. Get down in here. Look at that. I got the roots and everything. Okay, that's pretty cool there. So this soil is really soft. Perfect for this kind of stuff. Look at that. Everything pulled out of there. Obviously, this dirt's going to get inside of these teeth right here. Not a big deal. I'm just going to hit this off with the hose and I'm done. This is dirt that's been cooking in the sun. And see how it goes down in there. Harder ground. It's obviously going to be tougher on harder ground, but roots and all. And I like the fact that it doesn't leave a giant hole in the ground. So obviously it's going to work better in soft soils. You're going to have to clean them off when you're done. What a cool addition to the garden bag. It's easy enough just to pull these out and attack the problem right at the root.